We meet again, my sweet friends. Same time, same place. If you're new here, my name is Melissa. I'm so happy you're here. I am a mindset manifestation coach. I am a social media expert. I've been working on social media for 5 years. I've made over $2.5 million in sales on TikTok Shop in the last 15 months. I'm really passionate about sharing my knowledge about all things life and manifestation and social media and loving on yourself, becoming who you're truly meant to be, encouraging you to become your higher self and not be afraid of ascending and not carrying that trauma, not allowing your past to define you. And I just am really passionate about helping people see that there's such a easier, better way in life than having to trade your time for money. And it's just really something special to me. So anyway, I have dishes to do again, if you've been here the last couple days. So here we are again, y'all, 1 o'clock in the morning. And this is why I'm here to tell you, stop trying to fight against who the fuck you are. Let me say that again. Stop trying to fight against who the fuck you are. Okay, here I am at 1 o'clock in the morning, yet again, another day, trying to fight against my love of nighttime. So I've always loved being up at night. I've always been a night owl. If you're new, I am 11 years sober. I was like, holy crap. 11 years sober from heroin. I am a mom, I'm a wife. I have 4 beautiful children, 2 beautiful houses. I literally come from absolutely nothing, and every single thing that my husband and I have, we work together as a team, step by step, little by little. My favorite saying of all, minute by minute, hour by hour, step by step. This is how we got to where we are. And so I'm here to share and encourage my life, my stories, the things that I've been through, because I truly, no, not truly, I know for a fact that my gift here on earth is to navigate these muddy waters and then to go share with people to make them see how humans actually do change and can do those hard things and can lose all that weight. Y'all, I was 217 pounds. I'm so proud of myself. I'm like running now. I'm a freaking runner. Like what? Like the things I've learned and how you are so magical and you are a fucking supercomputer. Do you hear me? Like I just cannot stress enough to people, because for so long we've been so conditioned to think that we're dumb, we're stupid, we're depressed, we're anxious, we need a doctor for every little thing. Like we are literally conditioned this way. It's in the food, it's in the programming everywhere. TV shows, news, food, I mean, you name it, products, laundry detergent. I mean, it's wild what they are allowed to do, okay? But when you know and you see, then you can kind of fight against it, if you will. And so, I don't know. I just know that I am here on earth, on social media, to share my story, to encourage others. And I've been trying to fight so hard against staying up late. I am just a night owl. It's super quiet. My kids are asleep. I love the moon, and like I'm just super into all things like spirituality and the moon and the stars and the planets and how everything intertwines and aligns and whatever, right? And so naturally right now there's about to be a supermoon, blood moon, and an eclipse on Friday. And so energies are heightened. Even my kids are very affected. If y'all are affected, affected by the moon, drop moon in the comments. Hopefully this doesn't bother y'all, but it just is what it is. not much time in the day to do dishes or make videos. I'm really busy with TikTok Shop. It's spring. Spring has sprung, and well, it's about to sprung. It's about to spring, and during holidays and seasonal changes, there's a lot of campaigns and a lot going on. Plus, I also have a UK account, which somebody else runs for me, but I do still have to make the content, which just adds a whole other task. But anyway, I'm trying to get on a better schedule, but I've just fought against it so long that now I'm doing the complete opposite of what I'm trying to do, right? Because I'm trying to get to bed early, but I still have things to do at night. And I have a lot more time to focus and get get videos done while the kids are asleep or whatever. And then they do go to my dad's and stuff a couple times per week, but then when they leave, I'm like, I gotta clean. I'm so tired. Sometimes I just sleep. You know what I mean? And I was talking to my husband tonight, because what I've been trying to do is get to bed by midnight and get up at 5. And it just never happens because I have so much to do. And I don't want to wake up and do it every morning. I'm just that type of person. I need to go to bed with my house clean. I'm not sleeping if my house isn't clean. So I'm like, I need to stop trying to fight against who I am and what makes me happy and what works for me. Excuse me. Just because other people get up at 5 a.m. does not mean that I have to. And I like the idea of it. But then again, I'm like, do I like the idea of it because I like the idea of it? Or do I like the idea of it because somebody, I saw other people doing it and it's working for them, right? And everybody's like, oh, early bird catches the worm and this, that, and the third. Right, but not everybody has the same situation. Not everybody has the same things going on. And so I'm just here to encourage you and myself. Stop trying to change who you are. I work from my phone. I get to make my schedule. Why do I sit here and beat myself up? And I talk a lot of stuff, share a lot of stuff. And sometimes I'm even just talking to myself, as crazy as that sounds, because I'm still learning and growing every single day, which is exactly why I open my free mindset community down below, which is really designed to help you to see your full potential. And it's I truly believe in working on social media so much that I am willing to give you free mindset training to help you get there, because it's literally that life-changing. And people might say, well, Melissa, I don't want to be on camera. Okay, well, who the hell said that, number one, you have to be? Or who said that content creation is the only way to make money? Don't you know that there's a lot of creators who need help on the back end? Nobody would ever even know whatever, but that's very valuable. Or there's a lot of people who make faceless content where you don't even have to show your face. It's like talking hand videos. You ever see videos where they either make animated videos or AI videos or whatever, which I'm not a big fan of AI. I don't really mess with AI like that. But people do it. It's just all in your mindset and all what you truly believe you are and what you're worthy of. And it's just not giving a shit and going after your dreams. And people will say, well, I don't know how to get followers. I'm starting from zero. Well, where do you think everybody starts from? You think everybody who's successful already has a following or already knows what they're doing? No, when I started YouTube 5 years ago, I was almost 100 pounds overweight, 100 pounds heavier than I am now, 217 pounds. I was just like a mom and a wife, and that's it. I was very uncomfy in my own skin on camera. I did not have any of the right equipment. I just started and was like, okay, if these people can do it, I can do. I will learn along the way. But I knew that if I didn't start then I would always make excuses for myself. And so I did. And it's been a wild, crazy, amazing ride. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it was easy. It was definitely not easy. And I still have a long, long ways to go. But if I had somebody 5 years ago telling me to just show up and be myself, stop trying to fit the mold of what you think a social media influencer looks like. Stop trying to tell yourself you're unworthy or you can't do it or you're stupid or you don't know what you're doing or, oh, I could never have that. Or it's those thoughts that keep you in a loop. And I don't know about you, but I'm ascending. I'm not being stuck in no damn loops. And when I realize I'm stuck in a loop, I'm like, oh no, I'm getting out of this loop. And a lot of people are so afraid. See, here we go again with being conditioned. And I talk about that a lot because I can't stand that they're able to do this shit to us. Like literally mind control us. But I digress. It's really nobody's fault. Because we're conditioned to be little soldiers, essentially. But when you figure out there's a different way, and you figure out your full potential, and you realize that, like, no, I don't have to fit into that mold. No, I don't have to follow those rules. I don't have to do that. I can be me. I can literally get paid to be me. You hear people say, get paid to exist. This is what they mean. You can literally get paid to exist. Like, what? I get paid to exist. I mean, I get paid to make videos, whatever, but you get what I'm saying. I'm just existing in my world, getting to do whatever I want to do all day long. And boom, here I am. Like, even it stuns me, okay? I'm telling you this shit, and I'm like, what? Is this real life? I look around every day at my new house and my new property, and I'm like, thank you, God, so much. I'm so grateful for every little thing and big thing that I have. Because that's also a part of all of this, is loving on yourself, being grateful for everything you have. Too many people are like, I don't have enough, I don't have this, I don't have that. And I can honestly say that it didn't matter if we were in a damn camper, if we were in a damn single wide trailer or a house or a big house on a little farm. We were just as happy in each place, just as grateful, because we come from nothing. My husband and I both had nothing when we got together. And so I'm just here to tell you that you can show up anywhere and be yourself and get paid to exist. You can stop being afraid now of what people think of you, because you're beautiful inside and out. And at the end of the day, people don't give a shit about you. If they're talking bad about you, they really just feel bad about themselves, and it's just really a confirmation of how they feel internally. And so, although it hurts because we're humans, you have to just look at it and laugh because number one, it drives engagement. And number two, that's just how people are. And you just pray for them. So I hope this finds you when you need it the most. My messages are timeless, so share it with a friend. If you're new here, subscribe. Join my free mindset community down below. And if nobody has told you today, girl, you're stunning, you're worthy, you're gorgeous. I hope you know how beautiful you are inside and out. And I hope that you show up just as that. And if I can do it, 11 years sober from heroin, I know you can too. I'll catch you in the next one. Love y'all.